Okay, I don't know what happened to the stream, but I guess I'm gonna be doing bird gut again. That was weird. Okay. Uh, okay. I guess let's get into this then. That's weird. I don't know why it's like that. Okay, we need to. No, we need to keep that one. Because I'll close it, but then I can't get this one. Oh. How do we get through here, though? Because you need to keep that one open, but, like, I don't understand. So we need two? Oh. Bye. Nope. Oh! Oh, I hate you so much. I just gotta run through all this. Oh, okay. Hi. Can't hit me. Jump. Whee! Oh, hi, Mr. Fishy. Halt. What's the password? I said, what's the password? Can you hear me? I forget it. I can see you're not brainwashed. Go on in. Yeah, I'm not brainwashed. Because I'm... Whee! Go down. Hey. Could I go in the fire? Okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Hook. Hey. Are you the hatless one? Sir, ma'am, are you the hatless one or not? Whatever, I can see you aren't wearing a hat anyways. Our leader is expecting you. Okay. Is it you? Is it really you? Oh, it is. Oh, hatless one. It's just a prophecy predicted, and I came up with the prophecy to keep myself from going insane with hopelessness. Well, I guessed right. Anyway, welcome to the stomach, hatless one. I assume you have come for the expedition. I'm the crowned leader of this gathering, and as you may have noticed, we aren't brainwashed like all those other buggos out there. That's because we wear these tinfoil hats. With these hats on, we can't be brainwashed, and scanners can't detect us. We set up camp here in the little nook 5 years ago, and we've been waiting for the day that someone like you shows up. Someone who made it through without a hat, the hatless one. None of us have been able to escape the bird, and those who tried couldn't make it out of the stomach. None of us have the skill to evade the mind scanning devices and other obstacles, and and so we have waited eons for one who can. You are the chosen one. You are one we have been waiting for. Only you can finally free us from this bird. Here's the plan. You will... Blah. I don't care. Oh, I got a radio. I really don't care. Let's go. Construction and destruction. Oh. I want the ruler. Looks like a ruler. Come with me. Oh, I can't. Testing, testing. Hey, it's me again. I don't care. I'm a teapot. Oh, we go up here? Okay. No! I missed. Press E. What am I supposed to be doing? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so do I just go over there? All good and fine, and then just jump up there? Yay! I did it. Cleep hand sanitizer. Brutally slaughters 99 point a lot of other nines of germs. What am I? Oh, do I go up there somehow? How do I get over there? Do we need boxes? Is that why? Do we need to bring the boxes up here? Oh, well, I'm dead. I don't care. I should be able to. Nope, I don't. Dang it, Bobby! Yeet. Oh, come on. Get this. Long jump. Boing. Yeah. Get the box up there. Oh, nope, never mind. Guess not. Guess I'm not supposed to be doing that. What am I supposed to be doing? How do I get over there? See that glitch? Glitching so much. What do I do? Am I going the wrong way? I'm supposed to be going over here. Go this way, I guess. Hi. What do I do? I'm so confused. Oh no, I can't get up there. Cause I did big mess up. I need to do the thing again. get to the... What do I do with the hand sanitizer thing? Oh. I could just walk through it. Wow. That's just smart. Bye. Hey. I hate walking on those. They're so like creepy and stuff. Box. Big giant box. Oh wait, are you supposed to go this way? Oh. Oh! Oh. Okay, bye Mr. Box. Whee! Oh. Put that over there. To put up. And oh! Oh. You don't see me? Nope. Got him. How do you? What? Run into it. Oh. I'm right here. Haha. Yeah. Yeet! Oh, that's just barely. Bye. Hi, Mr. Slug. It's a lot of slugs. They're all working. Very good. What? How was I bitten? I jumped onto it. It was like, jump, and it was like, okay. Jump! Jump! Yeah! Yeah. Yeet. 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 Yo. Haha. What are you trying to run into, sir? Nah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Still over here. Make the weird noise. Alright, thanks. Bye. Bye. Have a great time. Oh, it's you again. But, oh. Get these out of here. Get out of here. Move out of the way, little boxes. Oh. Okay. Urgh. Whee! Little boxes. Put all the little boxes in there. Oh, no, I need the little box. No, the little box. Aw. Guess I'll have to move it myself. No! Stay! Yeah. Yeet! Get over there. I said get over there. Okay, we're good. Now, if we go over here. No! No! I wanted the boxes! Oh, there's no boxes anyways. Beware of worm. What? Oh! What's that? Oh, that is not okay. Nope, I'm not here. Nope, nope, nope. Ah! No. Bye. Have a great time. Whee! Ah! Sucker. Ah! No! I burned it up. Ah! Aha. Yeet. Yeet. Nope. I'm not. No, you can't catch me. The gingerbread man, fool. Milk. No. No. Milky. Aww. Dang acid. Lucky! No! Dang it! Stupid worm! Come after me, and I go. Yee! 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 Yeah! Can I blow you up? Like, is that good? Boom! Stupid worm. Dang it, not again. Oh! That scared me and I didn't realize it was gonna do that. No! Haha! What? I hate you, you stupid worm! Let me do what I need to do. I could only do one that time. It's two and then run. Nope! Haha! Haha! Sucker! Ah! Haha! No! Bye! Why don't you just come in? Come over here. Come here! Come here, little buddy. Get attacked! Fool. Ah, dang it. Whee! Nope! I'm in the pipe! Go windmill! No! Dang it! Ah. I got stuck onto the boat? Come on. Nope! Haha! Sucker. Nope! Oh no! Wrong way! That was the wrong way. Oh, that was too close. That was way too close. Go that way. Whee! Go this way! Yes. Go, 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 go. Go after those other things. No, I knew it was coming. No! I was about to press the button. I hate this worm. Go. No! Stupid worm. Nope. Suck it. No! Oh gosh. One jump. Nope. Heck off. Out of here. Ha! I got the laser. 1, 2, jump! Jump! I almost said jump and run at the same time. And it turned out to be rump. Nope! No, why? I hate you, stupid worm. I can get 0 from that. Dang it, Bobby. 1, 2, nope. What? What? Nope. Bye. Have a great time. Haha. Can't get me, stupid worm. Why don't you come after me, pal? Yeah. Where do I go now? Oh, I have to do this. Oh, I'm supposed to jump onto the worm. I don't feel comfortable. Oh, you have to jump into it. I thought you were supposed to jump like into it, not onto it. Yee! Yeah. Stupid worm. Get out of here. Oh. Whee! Oh. Epic. Oh, no! I fell down. Twist and turns. Fire! Intestines. Wow, you made it to that. This is actually going really well. A lot of other stuff. I don't wanna. No! Are you supposed to like? Yeah. Yeet! Oh, you are. Oh wait, no, you're not, cause it goes the other way. How do you get through this part though? What? It wasn't smashed right there though. Okay, so I think it's out of there going down. You're supposed to do it. I mean, up. Now. Epic! Epic gamer moment. Let's go. Poke. Easy. I didn't know it was gonna do that to me. No! No! Too close, too close, too close. I don't like this. No, too close! Yeet! No! No! I made it, but then I landed on top of it. I'm sad. Frickin' angry. I made it! Yes! You'll never take me alive! Yes! Hey! Hey! I want to go in it! No! Oh yeah, I don't think you're supposed to. Boop! Oh, it sucks me in now. Okay. Whee! Let's go! Oh wait, no, I have to move you. Go already! Oh, you're supposed to go a little bit. Come on. Yeah. Whee! Yeah, go in. Oh, and then you're supposed to push this so you can get it back up. Go, Mr. Box. Oh, I needed it. Oh. Go, Mr. Box. No! Mr. Box! Let's go! Oh, yes. Boop. Suck it, suckers. Now I need Mr. Box. Let's go, Mr. Box. Okay, I don't care about you, Mr. Spoon or Mr. Nail or Mr. Gear Wheel. Whee! Whee! Hi. Oh, I got a screw. All of them. Yeah. A lot. So are you supposed to like just throw a lot? Oh, but then how would we, because it would go wee. Okay, so let's just try and get to this one, I guess. Oh, but it would be impossible. But all this is extra stuff. Then they go like this. No. Not like that. Like that. Like that. I'm so confused. Because then we would go woo. That long. Yay! Whee! Yes! I did it! Whee! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Up, 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 up. Up. Yeah. I need to press that button anyways. Robot. Oh, heck. Oh. Stuck. Oh, because now I can get there. Wait, do we push the cart? Come on, Mr. Cart. I'll go down. Whee! Let's go. I do need to press the button. Oh, I pushed it too far. No, Mr. Carty! No, you're too fast. No! Go this way. Then it needs to stop right here. Stop. There we go. Yay! Boop. And now I think we need Mr. Carty. Go on, Mr. Carty. Push, push, push. Yay! Yay! Oh! Stupid ball of trash. Where did I press last time? Oh, how'd you get... Wait, what? How did it get there? Oh, bye, Mr. Carty. Oh my gosh. No! Wait, what? How are you supposed to do this? Do you need the cart? I think you need the cart. But how do you get it down there? Just slowly go. Go down. Go down. Go down. How do I do this? How do I do this? I'm so confused. Okay then, well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a like and subscribe to join Team and Honest videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later. Bye.